Just Instagramming. Anyway, welcome back. Today is day 13 of Vlogtober, and today we're going to talk about inspiration. That always sounds kind of cheesy to me, but it's probably one of the most asked questions artists get is, what inspires you? I certainly get asked that a lot in my shop because I'm sitting there, people are looking at my artwork, and that's just something they ask. It's kind of weird to me because I don't know what people expect. I mean, if I was painting pictures of horses or flowers, you know, it'd be obvious I'm inspired by horses and flowers. But for me, what it boils down to is I just like making stuff. So what inspires me? I don't have any big lofty answers. I just like to make stuff. I like having something to show for my time. I like being productive. Certainly there's artwork out there that I think is awesome, and when I see it I get excited. It makes me want to go back to my studio and work on a new painting or something, but I'm not the type that waits around for inspiration so I can create something. I just have this desire to make stuff and make stuff and make stuff. Whether it's a video every day for October, or whether it's a new painting, or building new shelves for our store. I just like being busy, and I like having something to show for my time. So I guess if I had to pick a person that inspired me, it's usually anybody with a good work ethic. For example, when I see an artist posting multiple times a day on Instagram, that inspires me to make more work so I have more things to post, but I'm not inspired in the way where I want to copy their style. I just want to emulate the work ethic. Since this is a short video, I'm going to read a quote from Roy Lichtenstein talking about Keith Haring, and it totally encompasses what I find inspirational. Here we go. This is Roy Lichtenstein talking about Keith Haring. I once met Keith at the Milan, Italy airport. He was in Milan for his solo show. I stopped by the gallery a couple of days before the opening, and there was Keith creating his show right there on the spot. I mean, the gallery had stretched all these canvases for him, and he was painting a show that would open in 2 days. It was extraordinary. Keith composes in an amazing way. I mean, it's as if he dashes the painting off, which in a way he does, but it takes enormous control, ability, talent, and skill to make works that become whole paintings. They're not just arbitrary writings. He really has a terrific eye, and he doesn't go back and correct. This is in itself amazing, and his compositions are of a very high level. That's the kind of work ethic I'm talking about. He flies to another country, paints his entire show in the gallery just a few days before the show opens. That's the kind of thing that I think is exciting and inspiring. Anyway, that is it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you tomorrow.